Welcome to the first episode of Dormer Loft Conversion Series, where we're going to talk about two popular types of loft conversions: gable-fronted and doghouse dormers. Gable-fronted dormers are characterized by their triangular shape and vertical walls, which provide a lot of headroom and space. They are also known for their classic and traditional aesthetic, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. On the other hand, doghouse dormers have a curved roof that resembles the shape of a doghouse, hence the name. They are often chosen for their unique and eye-catching appearance, adding character to the roofline. In terms of functionality, gable-fronted dormers offer more space and headroom, while doghouse dormers provide a distinctive architectural feature. When choosing between a gable-fronted and a doghouse dormer, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a loft conversion that provides ample space and headroom, and you prefer a classic and traditional look, then the gable-fronted dormer might be the ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you want to add a unique and eye-catching architectural feature to your home, and you're drawn to the distinctive appearance of a curved roof, then the doghouse dormer could be the perfect fit for your loft conversion project. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your personal style, the architectural aesthetics of your home, and the functionality you desire from the loft conversion. Stay tuned for more insights on different types of loft conversions in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.